Today we shall begin our last module in this course on contemporary trends and issues in education. This is the Technology Education module. As we are all aware, technology surrounds us in all aspects today. No matter what field we pursue to study, no matter what kind of job we do, no matter where we go, technology plays a definite role and impacts how much and what an individual can do and contribute. Our students are digital natives today. These young people are born with technology. While we teachers, if you honestly look at yourselves, we are all products of the 20th century. Our students are products of the 21st century today. Thus, we need to bridge the gap. And it is technology that will help us to bridge this gap between two different centuries. Unless we can do that, we will not be serving our students with honesty. We need to prepare students for lifelong learning, which requires new approaches to education. We will not be able to use the approaches, techniques, and methods that our teachers used with us. We will have to change and adopt the new techniques and approaches of the 21st century. This heavily depends on technology. Our students are so good with technology, but unfortunately, their entire focus on using technology is entertainment. That needs to change. We need to try and bring our students to use technology academically for their learning experiences. While the importance of reading, writing, and arithmetic still holds true, if you remember, those were the 3 R's we talked of in education when we were growing up. It was reading, writing, and arithmetic. Today, we talk of a 4th R, which is computers. And computers means technology. And we must incorporate this 4th R together with the other 3 R's. It's not that we ignore the other 3. We kind of entertain, engage, merge, bring the 4th R in line with the other 3 R's that already exist. This means that technologies must engage and inspire students to take a more active role in learning, because that's what they are doing. They are constantly with technology, and with the mobile phones and the smartphones today and the iPhones, it has become all the more easier. They are constantly pushing buttons. That's what technology is all about. Why not use it in the classroom to teach students? Why not use it to interact with students? Why not use it to have students turn in their assignments and activities? Use it so that students feel comfortable, because honestly speaking, students with technology are more comfortable than our teachers with technology. We need to unlearn the paper and pencil modes of learning and learn the pushing the button modes of learning, so to say. And we need to learn the technology. Our students know the technology so much better than many of us do today. So as teachers, we will need to make the changes if we want to impact students and let them learn in ways that will help them in their real life. If you've been around for as long as I have, we've seen the monstrous room-sized computers. When you look at that and we see the evolution of the computers to the desktop, to the laptop, and now to the smartphones, indirectly we carry our world with us in our mobile devices, as small as the smartphone today. It is accepted that a well-rounded education is a gateway to personal success. It sets students on a path to lifelong learning that enables them to succeed in a changing world. Technology is changing very rapidly, and therefore what we teach students today will not all be appropriate 1 year or even 6 months down the line, because technology is still evolving, and it's evolving much more rapidly than it did maybe 5, 10, 20 years ago. So, if we give the skills to students, students will learn the changes in technology and will incorporate those changes into their modes of doing things in the future. But the key is, are we giving them the technological skills today? Through education, individuals can expand their minds and embrace new ideas and opportunities, and at the same time build better lives for themselves and their communities. So there are two purposes of education. One is to learn, to get to know the facts and the skills, and two is to use those facts and skills for a better life for yourself and your next generation.